everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I have made my charcoal to go into my oven and fireplace. So in a previous video you'll have seen me scraping away this polyfiller. If you want to know how I've made this polyfiller structure, just have a look at the worktop video. I'll put a link at the top. So I scraped it away and I ended up with a pile of dusty polyfiller scrapings basically, and I thought instantly I've got a use for these. So what I did was I collected them all up into a little pot, just like this. So this is just a paper cup, and then this was a really quick thing that I did. I didn't know that it was going to work, but I thought I'd give it a go anyway. So I have this spritzing ink from a craft shop, and I bought this years and years ago. I'd actually used this to spray paper, and it's got a really nice metallic-y quality to it. If you look in the top it looks a bit purpley in colour, but it is a black spritzing ink. I got it reduced in a sale, so it's nothing new, it's just something that's been sat in my cupboard. And I decided to give these polyfiller scrapings a little squirt with the spritzing ink, stir them, and then give them another squirt and stir them until they were covered. And as you can see, they covered really nicely. I decided to leave a little bit of them white because I thought, well, actually when you burn charcoal often it turns that grey white colour, and I think this turned out wonderfully, and I'm going to use it for coal in my fireplace. If you have any recommendations for glue I could use that won't have a glossy shiny sheen that will stick these down, please do let me know, because that's the only reason I've not stuck them down yet. Thanks for watching.